this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make font bigger on Snapchat. So if we go to Snapchat and I open a chat, you can see how the small text is. Now what you need to do is go to Settings, Control Center, and you need to add this text size. To add it, just go down. As you can see, the third one, click on the plus, and now it's on the text size. Then you want to go back to Snapchat, drag from the right corner, and then click on the AA, and make sure it's on Snapchat only, and let's make it to text size maximum. Now, as you can see, the text is still small, so what you need to do is exit Snapchat, reopen it, and as you can see, everything has become much bigger, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Also, if you're interested in Shopify, I can offer you 3 days completely for free, and then you only pay $1 your first month.